Guys, we're in Seattle. I didn't really vlog that much traveling because it was a 6-hour flight and that was a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let me see where I can put you guys. Okay, I don't even know if you can see that good. So this sweater is from Anthropology, and then I have this huge jacket. Also have layers under, but this is from We the Free. So it's 22 degrees, so I need to be very cozy and bundled up, but it's not like the best angle, but it does have like a little hood, which I like. And I have my gloves and I have my earmuffs. So ready to go. We're gonna be in Seattle for like half a day, and then we're gonna be driving to Vancouver. Well, I'm not gonna be driving, my dad is gonna be driving. Okay guys, this is the view, and okay, so that's the Space Needle right over there, and we're gonna be going to that after. But we're at this park right now, and you can basically see the whole view, and wow, it's so pretty. Love it. See the mountains down there? Wow. Guys, this view is so cute. There's just a bunch of like houses here next to the park, and I took some photos, so I'm gonna insert them now because they look so good. Okay, so we're at the Space Needle right now, and I thought it would be a lot colder up here, but it's actually not. And it's currently 10 a.m. because we're only going to be here for a little bit, and then we're going to go to Vancouver. But yeah. So this is the view. Okay, we just finished up at the Space Needle. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but yeah, it was super nice. My dad was saying, oh, we should go, and I was like, we shouldn't really go, but I'm so glad we went because it was so cute and it was super nice. So yeah. If you guys are ever in Seattle, I highly recommend going. Also, side note, my nail broke. I swear this nail breaks every single time. Every single video I make, I'm always like, my nail broke. And my nail broke. So I am probably gonna have to go buy glue. It's always the pointer finger. That's like really weird. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with. It's actually like not that bad, so. But I'm just like, that always happens. Anyways, right now we're just gonna be going to Whole Foods, get some mac and cheese. Guys, you already know the deal. Me and my mac and cheese, and when I travel, my Whole Foods addiction. Also, I'm not sure if you guys know, but since I have an allergy, I like to stick with like the safe food. So that's why I always eat at Whole Foods, and I have my mac and cheese. So that's the vibe. And then we're gonna drive to Vancouver, which is 2 hours away. Okay guys, here is a little update. We're leaving Seattle now, and we're driving, well, my dad, not me. We're driving to Vancouver. It's about 2 hours, but since we have to pass the border, we're gonna see how it is. I've never been to Canada, so I'm so excited. And yeah. Okay, we're gonna be crossing the border to go to Canada now. It's been like 2.5 hours. We stopped, had to grab some coffee. But yeah, we're almost there. Okay, we are in Vancouver, and we've been here for a little bit. I just like redid my hair and lightly retouched my makeup, but not gonna lie, my skin is so dry because it is very cold in here, and I look kind of red, but in person, like, it's fine. But I just switched to this coat, which I'll tell you guys the name right now. Also, I think this is for my lipstick. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. Also, if you're watching this, then you get the insider scoop. Okay, this with a free. Okay, this coat is from We The Free, but if you're watching this, then you get the insider scoop. But basically, the coat that I'm wearing and the coat that I had earlier, I got it from Nuuly, which is like a subscription thing where you get to pick like 6 pieces, and it's like $88 plus tax a month. But this is not sponsored, but my friend told me about it, and I was like, since I live in Miami, I'm never gonna use this coat. Like, I am never also gonna use this because it's just too thick. And I just kept buying coats, and it was just like really unnecessary, because like, when am I gonna use this again? Like, it's super cute and I love it, but it's just like, I'm mostly in Miami all the time. Like, I can't justify it. So yeah, I'm super excited about all the pieces that I got. I do have some upcoming trips, and I'm gonna show you guys the pieces that I got that look so cute. So I'm so excited. But yeah, definitely if you're watching this, you get the insider scoop. Not sponsored, just really like them, and it's my first time like trying them, and I really like it. So anyways, yeah, so I'm ready. We're just gonna be walking around and like seeing what's up here in Vancouver. So tomorrow we have a busy day planned, which I'm so excited for, and it's really cold. So I have my gloves and I have my earmuffs, and it's black, so it's gonna match perfectly with this. But yeah, I'll give you guys a little tour of the hotel, even though we were just like laying in the bed for a little bit because we were tired. But the bathroom is so nice, and yeah, let's go. Hi guys, good morning. It is currently 6:38, and I'm gonna start doing my skincare. My skin feels so dry. I have this little setup here because I'm gonna film like a TikTok. So I'm gonna be filming a TikTok of getting ready in Vancouver. I'm gonna be doing a quick skincare, and then we're gonna go have breakfast. Guys, I've said this before, but the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich, it's so good. Alright, now I'm just gonna do my hair really quickly. I think I'm just gonna do a like double braid. We're gonna be going to Grouse Mountain, I think that's what it's called. So I'm just preparing because I just finished bundling up. But I have this We The Free leather jacket. It has like this like Sherpa thing. And then I have my Aritzia Super Puff, but this is like the super light version. So it's just like the thinner one, but still like it's good. So, and what I like about this is that it has a hood, because this jacket that I have doesn't have a hood. And then I have a turtleneck, another turtleneck, and then like a thermal under, because I get cold really easily and I do not want to be cold when we're in the snow. And I have my earmuffs, which are from Amazon. I love them. They're perfect and they always make my ears super cozy. Also, I'll show you guys. I have my gloves. I just put it on my purse so I don't lose them. But they're from Amazon too, and they're super good quality. They're like $15, but I really love it. My phone is charging. I'm gonna have to charge it in the car because since I was filming a TikTok, I kind of wasted my battery. So we are still hiking. I think we're gonna do like 10 more minutes and then just head back down because all there is to like keep going up. But yeah, also, so I probably know this is like common sense. However, I wore jeans and I was like, I should have gotten like ski pants, but I was like, when am I ever gonna ski again, blah blah, whatever. And I just ended up buying ski pants at the little store they had. Thank God that they had one. But yeah, I got some ski pants. So now I'm nice and cozy because the jeans were not it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the view. Here are my ski pants I bought. Going up. Wow, look at that. It's crazy. It's like living in Miami. Never seen the snow. Hi guys, good morning. It is our last day here in Vancouver and then we have to drive to Seattle. But as you guys saw in the last couple clips, I went to a hockey game. So it was the Vancouver Canucks, I think that's how you say it, and then the Boston Bruins, and there was a lot of people here from like, you know, supporting Boston and everything like that. The game was so crazy because the Boston won, but the goalie had like, from Boston, made like a shot because the team of Vancouver was, the goalie like had left. But anyways, it was crazy and it was so much fun. And yeah, my glasses, I can't even see right now, my eyes hurt so bad because, and I still have like mascara, but it still doesn't come off, but my eyes hurt really bad because I've been wearing contacts. So because I was in the mountains the other day, my eyes, like my contact froze and my eyes were just like on fire. But I don't think I can wear contacts today because I just can't. Anyways, we're gonna go get breakfast because they have breakfast downstairs. But it had been snowing all night and I'm gonna show you guys like how that looks. So as you can see, it's like snow because it had been snowing last night. Yeah, then I need to get a Starbucks coffee because I haven't had coffee and I don't know why the camera looks a little bit weird, but yeah. Also, my acne has been flaring up, but that's okay. Okay guys, I don't know where we are. We're like in this random place, but look at the view because it is so beautiful. This view. Wow. Okay, we're just walking around. I don't really know where this is, but just walking around, and wow, it's so pretty here. I feel like I say that in like every single second, but it's really true. Okay, this is Stanley Park and I'm going to show you guys a little overview. We're going to be heading off to the border, so bye Canada! It was so much fun. Now, we have to go. So also, I have literally assignments due, so I need to get on that.